Hi guys, welcome to my yoga flow. Today I want to move slowly, breathe deep and stretch the body. Nothing crazy, just you, your mat and a little peace. Let's begin. The first exercise we will start child pose, a cat cow. Come to your knees, sit back to your heels, arms forward. This is child pose, just relax here. Breathe in and out. 2 more times. Let's do it. Now come to hands and knees. We do cat cow. Breathe in, lift your chest, look up. Breathe out, round your back. Again in and out. 2 more times. Feels so nice to wake up the spine. Now, downward dog and leg stretch. Now curl your toe under and lift your hips. We go into downward dog. It's okay if the heels don't touch the ground. You can bend one knee, then the other. Just move slowly. Let's lift the right leg up, bend it a little, stretch. Now bring it down. Other leg up, bend and back down. Great. Next one, low lunge and twist. Step your right foot forward between your hands. We go into a low lunge. Left knee down. Stay here and breathe. Now place your right hand on your sink and twist to the right. Lift the left arm up. Hold for a few breaths. Come back to center. Step back to downward dog. Now to the other leg. Left foot forward, right knee down. Twist again and breathe. Next one, seated forward fold. Now sit down, legs in front. Reach the arms up. Breathe in and fold forward. It's okay if you don't touch your toes. Just relax and breathe. Let your head hang heavy. You should feel in your hamstrings, the back of your legs. Hold it and slowly come up. Bridge pose. Now lay down on your back. Bend the knees, feet on the mat, arms by your side. We go into bridge pose. Lift your hips up. Squeeze the glutes, hold, and slowly bring it down. Let's do it 2 more times. Left, hold, down. 1 more up, hold, and relax. Hug your knees to your chest. Now, drop them to the right side. Arms out. Look left. Breathe here. Now, bring the knees back to the center and drop to the left side. Look right. Feels so good for the back. Now lie flat, legs out, arms out. Close your eyes. Just breathe. Feel your body, feel calm. You did amazing today. Thank you for moving with me. Don't forget to follow for more videos and see you next time. Bye.